Hello, we monkeyians. Today we are going over my bat. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. I describe where I get it and everything. But today I want to do a special shout out to your tutorials. You can find them in the eye or the description down below. Shout out to you. Be sure to check out his mallet tutorial for Harley Quinn. Very nice. Now on to the tutorial. Now I have templates down below for the good night and the diamonds. So just simply cut these out after you print them out, just like you see here. And then all you do is get a little foam type brush, preferably sponge, that way you can sponge all around it. Be sure to tape everywhere you don't want it to be. And also get this type of paint for it. And onto on screen.
Here's my new and improved bat. If y'all were at Fanboy Expo for 2016, y'all should recognize this baby. Here it is. Now I still don't know what she said, so I wrote random stuff. But I also had people sign it, and yes, what you see is correct. Jeff Hardy signed my bat. Jeff, ha ha ha, Hardy. And there's his Joker face. And then I wrote haha in random places, and then I had random people literally sign it. If y'all see your signatures, comment down below. I'll try to go a little slow so y'all can see it. See? But yeah. It was really cool. Whenever people would take a picture of me, or whenever I would ask to take a picture of them, they would get to sign my bat. And then I wrote Fanboy Expo, June 25th, 2016. And there's nothing on this side. I wanted it to stay blank. So that one stayed blank. But yeah, that's the bat. All I did was paint the good night on, stencils, description below. And then same thing for this. There's a stencil for it down below too. I sanded down the bat to get all the logos off. I found one at Dick's. So for everybody that cannot find a wooden bat, because I was one of those, you can go to Dick's, and if you sign up on their little program thing, you can actually get this bat, and it's really, really big. You can get it for $11. That's not bad. So Dick's is your place to get this. And I reused the tape that I had on my old bat and put it on here, and this is just gray metallic Sharpie because hers is really dirty, so I wanted that dirty effect. Like I said, stencils for this is down below, and I'll let you see the actual picture so you know how to paint it and stuff. I only was able to fit 2, but she technically has 4, just so y'all are aware. And make sure you Mod Podge it when you are done. I Mod Podge the entire thing, that's why it has a gloss over it, and it's also to keep the signature so it doesn't rub up and everything rubs off. So definitely Mod Podge it. Now, here comes a really cool part. Holla holla!